He's just such a big boy now. Alright, this is a really nice church that Pouncer comes to, and he's been to the front, which is enormous, and he's been to the back, which is like a woods, way, maybe like 7 miles behind it. So what's it gonna be today, buddy? Front or back? I wish I could show you his face. What do you say? Alright, calm down, okay. You like the front. Let me show you. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. You've been here as a baby. And you're in the back as a big... Go down. Alright. Okay. Good boy. Wait, what's that, bro? Golf. Remember, it's been a while. You've been here to church.